Section 5. I want you to go to page 73 in your book, the same as the page on the whiteboard, and see if you can read the words we have just read on your own. Remember, the first column of words is the hard th sound, and the second column of words is the soft th sound. Remember to pause the video while you are reading the words. When you have finished, you can start the video again. Now go to classroom 9, section 6.